And then cut to जिंदगी ने चमाट मारा घूम के और बोला कि no, you haven't arrived. So when I lost Dostana, that's when reality hit me really hard. It took a toll in such a way that I was diagnosed with a very rare disease called optic neuritis. So whatever I've learned in life is by going wrong. If somebody doesn't have my number, he doesn't have the right to say anything about me. If you have my number, call me and tell me if something's wrong with me. As simple as that.
Still haven't contradicted me on 30 lakhs a month.
Yeah, it was crazy. They made me dance on Chikni Chameli. So, मैंने पूरा ज़मीर अपना उस दिन सर गवा दिया था। जब दोस्ताना बंद हुई, जब बेधड़क बंद हुई तो मुझे लगा मैं ही बनौती हूँ। जिस फिल्म में मैं जाता हूँ बंद हो जाती है। मैंने अंग्रेजी सर बॉम्बे आके सीखी है।
अच्छा।
मेरी भाषा तो हिंदी है।
Okay.
Didn't knew। मतलब 18 घंटे 17 घंटे शूट करना उसके लिए bare minimum होता है। So that's the bare minimum that you shoot on an Aaron Khan show. I'll say a very cliche thing. I think my hero was my father. I've seen him really, really sacrifice himself for the family.
From the world of the roadies to the world of Kill, he's here to stay. In a world of nepotism, entitlement, and privilege, Lakshay shown us how an outsider can do wonders with just his pure talent. I'm in conversation with Laksh. Hi.
Hello, sir.
So my first question to you is: did you need therapy after the film?
No, I think the film was therapy for me.
Yeah. No, but
Kind of
you know
stuff.
why it's so unremitting? The violence is so unremitting. It must have disturbed you emotionally, mentally. See, like, I mean, I've read stuff where you were on the harness for 7 hours, and also it's not an easy film to make. It's not an easy film to. So, did it sort of psychologically have an impact on you?
You know, before I got onto it, I was in a space where I had self doubts. I was facing my own demons. My film was supposed to come out in 2019 and it came out in 2024. It took me 5 years to reach there. So I was hungry. I was willing to prove a point, and I just wanted it as bad as I wanted to breathe. So I gave it my all. I didn't think of the repercussions of the kind of trauma it will leave me with. I was all guns blazing, and all these things used to affect me. Like I don't remember a single night where I had a peaceful sleep, because everything after every killing, those dreams are coming. Your
Did you have violent dreams?
violent, bad dreams. Like I was sleeping for 6 hours, but I never felt that I've slept enough. I also used to wake up groggy. I had like perpetual body ache, constant headaches used to be there, especially after the first half, because that's when things go south. So I think there was not even a single day where I had like peaceful sleep or where I was feeling okay. I'm going to work today. I want to be grateful. I was grateful, but it was, as you mentioned, full of like turmoils, challenges. Every day I was getting hurt. And plus, there's so much blood around you, there's so much gore around you that after a point, like you also stop believing that you're acting. It just becomes so real because you're doing it day in, day out. So हर चीज़ इतनी सच्चाई बन गई थी वहाँ पे that I was getting affected, but then I thought, okay, this is it. If I let this, gain control over me, take control over me, I might not get this opportunity again. So I have to give it my all, and I have to die for it if that is takes. So I was all guns blazing, and I was in it fully.
Tell me, I mean, congratulations on Kill. First of all, you've done exceedingly well, and the film has its really edgy moments, and it's a wonderful film. But before that, Dostana stopped. Then you had another film which stopped. So, does all of this take a toll on you as an actor? I mean, 5 years you're sitting out of work. Obviously, there's money, there's zero bank balance, I'm guessing, at the end of the day. And then, there are bills to be paid. You have answers back home,
Correct.
Middle class families, and I mean, almost every family, any family has its own share of challenges.
Yeah.
And, explaining to parents anything is
Yeah,
a
it's a
task.
big task.
So how did you sort of navigate all that?
See, economically, I had my savings because I had done a lot of work in television. So I was saving a lot of money for that because I knew that I want to take a sabbatical. I was very clear about that. But इतना समय लग जाएगा वो नहीं मालूम था मुझे. थोड़ा और saving करनी चाहिए थी मुझे. But see, Dostana, of course, it didn't work out. But the money that was due, I was paid every cent of it. मुझे सारा पैसा मिला था काम कुछ नहीं किया मैंने उसका लेकिन पैसा मुझे मिला उसका दैट्स अ गुड थिंग बट या आई वाज सर्वाइविंग आई डिडंट इंक्रीज माय एक्सपेंस आई कम फ्रॉम अ सिंधी फैमिली सो आई नो द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी के कैसे कैसे बचाया जाता है फालतू की बेफजूल खर्चे नहीं करने हैं तो आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि अच्छा अभी कैश फ्लो नहीं है सो बी लिमिटेड विद योर खर्चास तो उस तरह से आई वाज सॉर्टेड but more than economically it played a massive toll on me mentally and emotionally uh, because the time when I left television in 2019 I was thinking यार मैं तो arrive हो गया हूँ you know how one thinks after giving a decent hit show because Porous the last show that I did it did quite good
It's very
on television
massively
yeah
scaled also,
massively
no?
scaled and one of the costliest shows that you've ever seen so it and also the character was kingly राजा का कैरेक्टर था वो महाराजा का कैरेक्टर था और सभा उसके सामने बैठती है उनसे बात करता सो आई थिंक इट आल्सो स्टेड विद मी एज एन एक्टर एंड आई वाज फीलिंग ओके आई एम प्रॉब्ली आई एम दैट गाय आई हैव अराइव्ड एंड देन कट टू जिंदगी ने चमाट मारा घूम के और बोला कि नो यू हैवंट अराइव्ड सो आई थिंक मेंटली फॉर मी टू ट्रांजिशन इनटू दैट took me time so when I lost दोस्ताना that's when reality hit me really hard तब लगा कि यार बहुत कुछ भी हो सकता है लाइफ के अंदर एंड जस्ट सो आई थिंक द वैल्यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बीइंग ग्राउंडेड यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट अ स्टेटमेंट दैट बी ग्राउंडेड बी हम्बल आई थिंक दैट became very personal very true to me after that incident happened I think it was required it was very much required
Did you ever have to go through therapy or any kind of counseling to, tide 5 years is a long time,
yeah
and also television. What happens is you're working 26 days a
correct
month, 16 hours.
loop में हुआ
It
था
yeah, you don't have any kind of you're so close to you don't have any kind of reality check.
right
So did it sort of I mean you're probably stationed in Gujarat or some
yeah
place and you 26 days a month you're
right,
working.
right.
So does it take a toll on your nervous system in that sense?
It does like it took a toll in such a way that I was diagnosed with a very rare disease called optic neuritis so in that what happens is that your
Vision.
your vision gets blurry you can't see things clearly so if I try to look from my left eye I can only see an object I won't be able to make out this red written over here or this green so you can't figure out the detailing of things because Porous was such a show that it was so demanding physically and mentally that I was falling sick very often I used to shoot for like 27-28 days a month 12 घंटे हर दिन का शूट है आपका सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वाज फॉलिंग सिक वेरी ऑफन एंड जब इंसान बीमार पड़ता है वो क्या करता है वो कैलपॉल खा लेगा वो डोलो खा लेगा वो एंटीबायोटिक्स खा लेगा सो द एंटीबायोटिक्स इतने ज़्यादा हो गए थे मेरे शरीर के अंदर कि उसका रेप्रिकॉशन उसका एक काउंटर इफेक्ट ऐसा आया कि देयर वाज अ नर्व दैट कनेक्ट्स योर ब्रेन इन योर आई इट गॉट swollen because of that so I was bedridden I was hospitalized for like 6-7 days very very depressing very
Your vision
sad.
returned
No,
after 6 7
no it took its own time I still can only I can manage very well but if I close my right and I try to look from my left I can still see not clearly like it's not 10 on 10 as of now it's still like 7 on 10 8 on 10 it's not
So what do the
back to normal.
doctors say?
They said it's rare it will take its own time we can only do what we know the best but ये चीज़ ऐसी है कि बहुत रेयर होती है लोगों को मालूम नहीं पड़ता है लेकिन जब होती है तो जब ठीक होती है तो अपने हिसाब से होती है अपने समय से होती है उससे पहले नहीं हो पाएगी एंड दैट इंसिडेंट वाज आल्सो what do you say made me feel that you're not invincible you're a human being by the end of the day तुम इंसान ही हो तुम भगवान नहीं हो so I think वो important और because क्या है कि मैं I live alone in the city I've been living alone for the last 10 years so as such कोई mentor या as such कोई गुरु या as such मेरे parents भी मेरे से दूर रहते हैं तो क्या होता है ना पेरेंट्स होते हैं तो पता होता है कि अच्छा वो समझाते रहेंगे बेटा ये गलत है ये सही है सो देयर वाज नोबडी टू लाइक navigate me through life or tell me what is right and what is wrong so whatever I've learned in life is by going wrong and by committing mistakes and then realizing that,
Like
okay,
what? Give me an example.
like very basic things like reaching late on sets when the first show that I did जब मैं 18 साल का था मुझे लगा अच्छा चलो 9 बजे का कॉल टाइम है तो 9:15 9:30 पहुंच जाते हैं तो वो एक दो दफ़ा चला फिर उसके बाद में डायरेक्टर कॉल्ड मी आउट इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबॉडी कि मतलब इट वाज हाउ कोई सिखाता है आपको कि सही नहीं है ये गलत है ही मेड मी राइट एन ऐसे ये तो ऐसे लिख ये दोबारा लेट नहीं आएगा मैंने कहा सर ऐसे लिखूँ मैं स्कूल में थोड़ी ना कह रहा लिख तो ऐसे तो वो सब चीज़ें मुझे तो वहाँ से समझ में आई हैं कि यार ये चीज़ें नहीं करनी है कि सेट पे चलाना क्यों नहीं है सेट पे बदतमीजी क्यों नहीं करनी है नॉट बाय लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ you can look at somebody else misbehaving and you can learn from that कि यार what is the vibe around him If somebody
Yeah,
is
because
being,
people talk
people
ना
talk,
कि ये
people observe. So जितना भी मैंने अपने लाइफ में एज एन आर्टिस्ट या एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग भी जो वैल्यूज पाई है, वो सिर्फ लोगों से देख देख के, उनसे सीख सीख के ही मैंने सीखा है जिंदगी के अंदर. मुझे कोई था नहीं ऐसा कोई मेंटोर या गुरु जो बताता था कि ये सब करना है. तो काफी
somebody
चीजें
told me there was a certain arrogance about you those days. You would not reply to messages. You thought you had arrived. You were this huge star who was almost making 30 lakhs a month, and
wow, was that?
suddenly, and I don't know if it's true. Please contradict
No,
me if.
it's not. So I'll tell you what, because uh, I think that I am not somebody जो सिर्फ I'm not a people's pleaser. I think अगर जिसको अगर आप सही definition दोगे तो मैं वो आदमी था हमेशा से, बचपन से. I used to stand up for what is not. Anything अगर किसी के साथ injustice हो रहा है तो कौन खड़ा हो रहा है? लक्ष्य खड़ा हो रहा है. स्कूल में भी I used to be that guy. So उसने मुझे बहुत, मेरे को drawback ज़्यादा feel हुए हैं more than because I think that यार you I don't see. I used to think यार कोई तो होना चाहिए ना ऐसा, like also the kind of background I come from Delhi, and I've seen my sister getting harassed by guys, and the stories used to be, such around my female friends and all that. तो हमारा डिफेंस ही होता है वो कि नहीं यार कुछ भी गलत हो जाए तो हमें खड़ा होना है पहले उसके लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, अपने दोस्तों के लिए. सो ये एरोगेंस वाले वर्ड हैं, ये वहाँ से हैं जिन लोगों को मैंने इज्जत नहीं दी है, बिकॉज वो इज्जत का हकदार नहीं थे. शायद उनसे उन्होंने बोला होगा ये चीज़, लेकिन जो मुझे जानते हैं वो जानते हैं कि मेरी सच्चाई क्या है. सो
So it's a mask.
It's not a mask, but I feel that if somebody doesn't have my number, he doesn't have the right to say anything about me. If you have my number, call me and tell me if something's wrong with me. As simple as that. So अभी सबका perception अपना अपना होता है. Arrogance, I don't know if I'm arrogant or not, but it's I can be perceived like that, but मैं ऐसा,
Because you're introverted.
मैं कम बोलता हूँ. मैं अभी मुझे 3 दिन पहले ही डांट पड़ी किसी से कि तुमने आया तो है हाई भी नहीं बोला मुझे आके. मैंने कहा बिकॉज आपने हाई नहीं बोला तो मैंने भी हाई नहीं बोला. लेकिन how it works, like somebody is like, you should have said hi to me and all that. मेरा दोस्त ही था वो.
Okay, okay.
But मैंने कहा ठीक है कोई नहीं. So ये सब चीजें, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि arrogance है, just that I feel कि यार if I find one corner in a party, I will just go and stand over there. That's the kind of guy I am. कि यार मेरे को एक कोना दे दो.
Yeah, I've observed that.
मैं अगर बात करोगे तो मैं बात कर लूंगा, लेकिन I'm not somebody जिसके लिए naturally it's a calling that I will go and say hi to everybody and be the life of party. I don't think I'm that guy.
But also the average of TV stars making it in the movies is very, very. Why is that? People who've done it, like, of course, there are exceptions like Shah Rukh Khan and Sushant Singh.
Yeah.
But otherwise, if you generally see the average of TV actors making it, again, you are an exception now, is very, very. Correct me if you think it's a misconception or whatever. I just find a lot of is the discipline on a TV set
Yes,
different, or is the projection on big cinema different? What is
It's
it?
discipline and attitude towards your work and everything. Like as I mentioned earlier, that even I thought for a second that I have arrived. Because the ecosystem is such around you that आप अगर 12 घंटे एक चीज कर रहे हो लगातार, getting paid so much money on a daily basis, वहाँ पे per day का system होता है.
You still haven't contradicted me on 30 lakhs a month.
My father will call me up. उनको कुछ और नंबर बताया होता. पैसा 30 लाख कमा रहा था तू? अच्छा, हमें 10 बताया तूने, बाकी 20 कहाँ है? So हाँ, एटीट्यूड बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. और क्या है कि अगर मेरे साथ ये दुर्घटना नहीं होती ना, कि जो आँख वाला इंसिडेंट हुआ, तो मैं भी शायद वही सोचता अपने बारे में कि मैं अराइव हो चुका हूँ. बिकॉज वहाँ पर ऐसा हो जाता है, मतलब द सिस्टम इज सच, पीपल अराउंड यू आर सच. अगर आपका 12 घंटे की शिफ्ट है तो आप कुछ एक्टर्स हैं वो 6 घंटे शूट करते हैं, वो 7 घंटे शूट करेंगे, वो 12 घंटे शूट ही नहीं करेंगे, वो टाइम पे आएंगे ही नहीं. सो वो डिसिप्लिन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर सेट पे आ भी गए तो लाइनें पता नहीं होती हैं. सबकी बात नहीं कर रहा, कोई मालूम पड़े इंस्टाग्राम में डीएम आ रहा है, तूने ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया.
अच्छा.
सब नहीं होते, लेकिन मैं बहुत क्लियर था कि मुझे इवेंचुअली तो टीवी से बाहर निकल के फिल्मों में कोशिश तो करनी है. उसके लिए आई फिगर्ड कि यार थोड़ा एटीट्यूड इंसान बन के रहना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. You just can't start believing.
So it went to your head. Success went to your head. Is that what you're
Not
saying?
success, but see, identity is something that I never had till I was in school. जब तक मैं स्कूल में था मेरी कोई आइडेंटिटी थी नहीं. I had no self confidence. I had no self esteem or belief as such कि मैं कुछ worthy हूँ. Because when you're in school and when you're not sound academically, you're constantly reminded by the society and your parents that you're not good enough. As simple as that. ओनली इफ यू आर स्कोरिंग वेल इन योर एग्जाम्स, अगर आप, और मेरे पास साइंस थी, सोचो। यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द, मतलब यहाँ पे लाले पड़े हुए हैं, पास नहीं हो जा रहा है आपसे, मतलब ग्रेस मार्क्स आ रहे हैं और 2 या 3 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा आ रहे हैं पेपर में, तो कहाँ मिलेगी इज्जत आपको? आप स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे नहीं हो, आप पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो, तो इज्जत आपको वैसे भी नहीं मिलने वाली है कहीं से। आपके दोस्त को लगता है यू नॉट गुड इनफ, योर पेरेंट्स थिंक, योर रिलेटिव्स थिंक, एवरीबडी अराउंड यू इज जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट यू नॉट गुड इनफ, सो आपको भी लग रहा है यू नॉट गुड इनफ। सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, यू गेन अ सेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एंड सेंस ऑफ सम वैल्यू कम्स टू यू, कि यार मेरी भी वैल्यू है, मेरी भी इज्जत है। सो दैट प्रॉब्ली दैट वाज मेकिंग मी फील वैलिडेटेड एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, कि नाउ सिंस आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम मेकिंग वर्क फॉर माई सेल्फ, और मेरे कहीं होने से वैल्यू ऐड हो रही है किसी शो में या किसी किसी प्रोजेक्ट में, तो शायद आई वाज डिराइविंग, यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आई एम डिराइविंग माय माय बिलीफ फ्रॉम दैट वर्क, माय रिस्पेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट वर्क, कि माय वैल्यू फ्रॉम दैट वर्क, माय इंपॉर्टेंस वाज ओनली कमिंग फ्रॉम द वर्क दैट आई वाज डूइंग। सो वो चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं प्ले कर रही थी मेरे आप में, कि अगर मैं काम में अच्छा हूँ और मुझे वहाँ से इंपॉर्टेंस आ रही है, तो शायद प्रॉब्ली दिस इज माई रियलिटी, which really got which I, as you say, ना reality check मिला मुझे after that I incident that happened. It really humbled me and made me brought me back to my roots, that anything can happen to you just because you've been working for the last 4 years. You're important doesn't mean nothing can happen to you.
What were the auditions that you gave? I mean, even after being a popular actor on television, when you do cinema, you have to give
Yeah.
auditions and all of that. How was that experience? Was that humbling enough?
It was like my Shanu actually spotted me. Shanu found me, and she made me the actor that and the human being that I had to be to get into Dharma.
Like, give me a specific example.
So in television, sometimes you are forced to act a certain way because वो छोटा टीवी है, उसके ऊपर आपको प्रोजेक्शन ज़्यादा करनी पड़ती है, what do you say, लाउड एक्टिंग थोड़ी सी करनी पड़ती है, और मतलब उस टाइम पे मैं आई वाज लाइक 85 kgs मस्कुलर गाय, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ दिस शो पोरस, एंड तो उन्होंने देखा, उन्होंने बोला कि यार ये चीज़ है ना, ये ऑफ है थोड़ी तेरे बारे में, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दीज थिंग्स, एंड आई लाइक, बिकॉज आई हैड डन सो मच टेलीविजन दैट आई हैड टू अनलर्न व्हाट आई हैड लर्न, उसके बाद मुझे नई चीज़ें सीखनी
I was
पड़ी।
just going to ask that.
तो काफ़ी
To
कुछ,
unlearn the craft.
yeah, I had to unlearn and I had to stop. So in TV you tend to sell your acting, I feel. I've said this before also to a friend of mine, कि TV में ना तुम बेचते हो लाइन, कि अगर बेसिक सी भी लाइन है कि यार मतलब कि मैं जा रहा हूँ, तो बेसिक मैं जा रहा हूँ, उसमें होगा कि मैं जा रहा हूँ, तो उसमें तो हर चीज़ ड्रामा थोड़ा ऐड होता है, कि ताकि एक ट्रॉली आएगी, वो रुकेगी, फिर तुम डायलॉग बोलोगे। फिल्मों में क्या ऐसा नहीं है, यू हैव टू जस्ट फील इट एंड से इट। तो उन चीज़ों पे काम करना पड़ा था काफ़ी, फिजिकलिटी पे बहुत काम करना पड़ा था। शी मेड मी ड्रॉप लाइक गुड 7-8 kgs, and she actually also made me, she was the first person as a friend, as a mentor, who respected me regardless of what I was as an actor, कि उसने मेरी इज्जत वैसे ही की कि यार चल ठीक है, तू दोस्त है, और बिकॉज वो तवज्जो मेरे से काफ़ी आगे हैं, उन्होंने ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ के अंदर, ज़्यादा मुकाम हासिल किए, उन्होंने मेरे को कभी ऐसा फील नहीं करने दिया कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ या इसलिए मुझे इज्जत डिजर्व होती है। उन्होंने मुझे तभी इज्जत दी, तभी अटेंशन दिया, मेरे पे काम किया, मुझे 3-4 महीने उन्होंने मेरी वर्कशॉप ली, मुझे सीन्स दिए बहुत सारे करने के लिए, तो मेरी एक्टिंग को एक चेंज लाया उसके अंदर। सो आई थिंक उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, उनका योगदान बहुत अच्छा रहा इस सफ़र के अंदर। और आई थिंक पहले तो मेरा ऑडिशन किसी और चीज़ के लिए हो रहा था, किसी दूसरी फिल्म के लिए हो रहा था, दोस्ताना तो बहुत बाद में हुआ है।
For something in YRF.
For something in
which you flunked.
Which I flunked, yeah. Which I flunked, and
So
I
when
was
you saw the
disheartened.
posters of that movie, you were like, "Oh shit, that would have been my debut film." Did you feel that way?
नहीं,
No.
नहीं.
It was so bad.
It was the no.
It was such a bad film.
Oh shit. यार मैं कैसे बोलूँ?
So
No,
it was a
it
bad
wasn't-
film, and you're happy you're
it
not
wasn't
the
bad,
part
but
of that film.
उसमें बस मुझे ये था कि मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या होगा इस फिल्म के अंदर, मेरे जो बस ये था।
So see, whatever happens, obviously happens for
For
a
the best,
reason and
for the best.
Yeah.
So I think वहाँ से काफी कुछ हुआ, and then the process of auditioning also, because उस दौरान मेरे साथ ये भी हो गया था, I think which I mentioned earlier, the whole disease.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it got more and more elongated, the whole.
You were a gym instructor in Delhi, and like you said, not great academically, not great sports. So, what was that like deciding moment when you said, okay, everybody has a breakout moment? What
Yeah.
was your breakout moment when you said, fuck this shit, I'm going to do something with my life?
I was a 17-year-old boy with humongous angst in him.
Why? Tell me about your angst.
Uh, so it has a lot to do with my family, the kind of background that I come from. So my sister was not keeping well, and like she was also fighting her own demons. She was the whole of us as a family we were in a very bad spot, and I was so little and I was so powerless that I was just feeling कि यार मैं मेरा परिवार इतने इस घड़ी में गुजर रहा है, इतने दुखद घड़ी में गुजर रहा है और मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ उनके लिए, मैं फाइनेंशियली उनके लिए कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. And I can't go in details right now, but whatever they were dealing with as a family, why can't I help them out? मैं उनकी मदद क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ? तो तब एक एक था जिद थी कि यार जिस जिस दिन मौका मिलेगा ना, कि जिस दिन पैसा कमाना चालू करूँगा, जिस दिन थोड़ी पावर आएगी, जिस दिन मैं ये चेंज कर सकता हूँ, if I want to give the best life to my parents and to my sister, I will make that happen.
But as a gym instructor, you were like earning 70,000 a
No,
month
no,
or
no, nothing at
no?
all.
Okay.
I was earning 3,000 rupees a month. उससे
Oh.
3 या 4 हज़ार रुपए मैं कमाता था, लेकिन I was getting a sense of कि listen, of course, like I'm 17 years old with no experience in life.
So
It's
you
not
never
like
went to college and all?
nothing. 12वीं के बाद कॉलेज कॉलेज कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. मैंने एनडी की तैयारी की थी थोड़ी बहुत, आर्मी में जाने का मेरा सपना था एक, लेकिन उसके अतिरिक्त मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. मेरे को बस अपनी फैमिली को एक अच्छी लाइफ देनी थी, और वो जो जो कुछ भी मेरे साथ हो रहा था, लाइक with my family and everything, which I can't say much about, but I just wanted them to get out of it. And I wanted to take control and be like, as a man, you are, you need to, you're a protector by nature. Like आपका instinct आता है कि नहीं यार, I want to give them the best. So वो नहीं हो पा रहा था मेरे से, इसलिए बहुत angst थी. Against the world, against the society, against what was happening to my parents, against myself कि मैं कुछ क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. तो वो सब था, वो भरा था. And the moment I got this offer to come to Mumbai and work, I left everything and I came here.
So you were very angry with yourself.
I used to be. Now I'm better. I've accepted myself and I've accepted everything that is around.
But
me.
no, you've not been through therapy or anything like that.
Not as such. I think नहीं. जब तक मतलब थेरेपी और ये तो काफ़ी समय के बाद अवेयरनेस आई है. आई थिंक उससे पहले तो इतना अवेयरनेस थी ही नहीं, लोगों को भी नहीं थी, हमें भी नहीं थी उस टाइम पे. सो या that's that.
So you were talking about your breakout moment.
Yeah. This is how I broke out, and when I came to Mumbai, I was working as if I want to win the world. Raj karne aaya hu, how you think from coming from the city, like.
So you
like how
didn't
I
really
started
have to
work.
struggle. You got roadies, and then immediately you got your other.
No, I from through roadies I got Warrior High. That
I'm just
show
trying
on
to
MTV.
imagine you in roadies with your the audition. The auditions must have been crazy, ro.
Yeah, it was crazy. They made me dance on Chikni Chameli और वो सब. So, मैंने पूरा ज़मीर अपना उस दिन सर गवा दिया था. मैं अपनी नज़रों में गिर गया था उस दिन. मैंने कहा तू क्या कर रहा है यार, ये इतनी भी कोई प्यारा नहीं है, फेम मेरे को कि पागल ही रखा है तू. But yeah, at that moment also my parents were proud of me, so I'm happy I could. That was the first time my parents were proud of me. Imagine, after 18 years of my existence. So yeah, that's that. But struggle in a way, struggle. भी
But most
subjective
people
है.
at 18 are still finding themselves. No? Nobody, none of us knew our asses from our elbows at 18.
Correct.
So were you extra hard on yourself?
I was very hard on myself. Because as I mentioned earlier, the reason I couldn't sleep only. I was just feeling कि चलो मैं मुंबई आ गया हूँ. I was still worried about my family back home कि कैसे हैं, वो चीज़ें बंद हुई नहीं हुई हैं, अभी भी चल रही हैं नहीं चल रही हैं. So constantly वो battle थी. Plus I wanted to make money and be self-dependent economically also कि पापा से अभी बंद कर दो, because I come from a very middle class family and he also had debts on him. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत ही लाविश या प्रिविलेज लाइफ जी के आया था तो मुझे पैसों की कदर नहीं थी. वो पहले हटाना था, वो बंद करना था कि यार ये डोर क्लोज करना है घर से पैसे लेने का. तो मैंने 19 साल के बाद से कभी पैसा लिया ही नहीं घर से. मैंने जो भी कमाया थोड़ा बहुत अपने पे खर्चा. घर पे तो हेल्प मांगते नहीं, पापा भी खुददार है, मैंने कहा तेरे पैसे नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, तो वो लेते नहीं थे. बट या आई मीन I was hard on myself, as in I thought probably the hard work is the only way to move forward in life. I was very clear with that. I used to listen to a lot of Kobe Bryant's motivational speeches and सबकी सुनता था मैं. Because
Podcast.
podcast. सुबह 6 बजे उठना है तो उठना है. जिम जाना तो जाना है, रियाज करना है तो गले पे रियाज, आवाज पे रियाज करना है तो करना है.
Yeah, how did you get? Is it now you're naturally
No,
gifted
no.
with a baritone?
Not
Or?
at all. There was a point in my life जहाँ पे मैं अपनी बहनों की दोस्तों से बात करता था लड़कियों की आवाज बना के. Imagine. I had that thin voice.
Really?
Yeah. But yeah, I did a lot of workshops. I've worked a lot on myself and on my skill. I was a terrible actor. Like अगर मेरे को वॉरियर हाई में आप देखोगे तो आप 5 मिनट से ज्यादा टीवी देख ही नहीं पाओगे, बंद कर दोगे. मैं खुद बंद कर देता था. मैंने कहा यार क्या कर रहा है यार भाई, मत करना.
So how did the switch happen with all your workshops and all that? Or
Yeah.
say your directors helped you a lot, like
Directors,
Nikhil
yeah,
and all of
directors.
that.
Nikhil to came much later because now I think, see, as I was saying, I was deriving a sense of value from that work. Even when I reached the sets of Warrior High, I was feeling कि यार पहली बार मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं contribution की worth है. You know, I belong here. I don't know, I'm getting a sense of belongingness just by being on sets. काम करना था अपने आप पे, ये मुझे मालूम पड़ गया था कि यार अगर ये काम तू करता रहा ना, जिस तरह की एक्टिंग तो अभी कर रहा है, तू 1 साल या 2 साल में you'll be sent back home. Probably on your looks and all that you'll survive, but if your acting is not good, you'll be sent home or you'll be not good. मतलब काम में अच्छे नहीं हो तो कौन पूछने वाला है. So I just wanted to excel in this work. So इसलिए अपने ऊपर awareness मुझे थी इस चीज़ को लेके. ये नहीं लगा कि यार बहुत अच्छा एक्टर हूँ, तो मालूम पड़ गया था देख के कि भाई ये तो नहीं चलेगा, ये चीज़ करना पड़ेगा. और आसपास वालों ने इतनी गालियाँ बकी थी मेरे को, तो समझ ही आ गया. और क्या. सुन लिया करो, गालियाँ कभी बार अच्छी होती है. ऐसे कि you can't criticize me. If you're bad, they will criticize you. As simple as that.
Now
So,
that you're
yeah.
doing so well, will they revive Dostana 2 and try everything that everybody abandoned? Will they remake it with you? You think so?
I
Will
don't
there
know,
be
sir.
talk?
बस काम मिलता रहा, अच्छा काम करते रहे, चाहे
हाँ.
कुछ भी हो. That's what's
Tell me
important.
about Kill. I mean, of course, it must have been physically very grueling and all of
Yeah.
that. But what did you at any point have any doubts about? Oh my God, why me? You know, I mean, how have they cast me?
Try me, should we try me?
Try
Not why
me.
me. Doubts तो definitely जब दोस्ताना बंद हुई, जब बेधड़क बंद हुई, तो मुझे लगा मैं ही बनौती हूँ. जिस फिल्म में मैं जाता हूँ बंद हो जाती है. तो मैंने बोला भी था किसी को, मैंने कहा मुझे मत लो भाई, फिल्म बंद हो जाएगी तुम्हारी. तो नहीं, फिर मैं डायरेक्टर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं यार तू अच्छा है. उन्होंने बोला ऐसा कि 3 और एक्टर्स को मिलना था मेरे बाद, मिले ही नहीं. मैंने कहा सर ये तो झूठ है सर, ये तो प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करना होता है डायरेक्टर को कि नहीं 3 से मिलना तो 3 से मिलना. मैंने कहा नहीं कह रहा, मैसेज चेक कर ले तुम. निखिल सो नहीं, वो डाउट्स इस प्रकार से थे कि बिकॉज बहुत समय से मैंने काम नहीं किया था.
Guys, sorry, is this Hindi too pure for all of us? Like, is this normal? Like, am I imagining? Because it's the first time in all my 25 interviews I've seen somebody speaking so chaste Hindi. So I'm feeling a little conscious. Huh? Yeah, Zamir and some Tippani, and he said some very.
But you don't understand this.
No, I understand everything very well. I am not able to respond as effectively as you are. That's also. Anu must be very happy seeing this thing, yeah.
मैंने अंग्रेजी सर बॉम्बे आके सीखी है.
अच्छा, okay.
मेरी भाषा तो हिंदी है.
Okay.
डिंट न्यू, डिंट केम, ऐसे बोलता था मैं पहले, और बड़े प्राइड से. बाद में समझ में आ गया ये सब नहीं बोलना भाई, सीख ले पहले. So, yeah.
Yeah, so you were talking about Nikhil.
Yeah, I had doubts
Yeah.
for sure, because when your work doesn't come out for so long, you start feeling that probably I'm not good enough. As I mentioned earlier that I thought I'm the panauti, that's why things are not happening. So वो doubts थे दिमाग में, ज़हन में थे, लेकिन हाँ जिद थी. I was stubborn and I had a point to prove to myself also कि if I waited, I believe that if I've come this far, there has to be reason behind it. Otherwise, a guy like me who has no backing, no surname, no influence, how has he made it this far? कुछ तो reason होगा ना, some divine intervention or I don't know what it is. लेकिन कुछ तो स्पेशल होगा मेरे आसपास या मेरी मॉम की प्रेयर्स में, किसी में कुछ तो होगा ना, इसलिए I'm this far. So I was relying upon that. And I'm somebody who doesn't give up easily also, because I had experiences in my life which taught me that, the moment you feel relaxed, something or the other will come and wake you up. So I always think I have a good amount of threshold for that kind of pain, I feel. That's why I don't give up easily.
Yeah, so coming to Kill, it's a very angry film, okay? And, somehow I felt the commando portions. I wish they had shown much more. The beginning, they just show you in that training camp,
Yeah.
and then suddenly you come. I wish they had shown much more of the. But have you met real life
Oh yes,
commandos? And
yes.
when you see their sort of, I mean, of course, patriotism, but their completely killer, insular attitude to, the
Yeah.
cause and all of that. They are really walking, talking killer machines. Did you have
Absolutely.
to adopt that body language and all of that when these NSG commandos? Have you met
I
them?
could only imitate them to an extent because they are so inherently cool. You can't become them. They believe in the fact that they are commandos and the coolest guys out there. हमें acting करनी पड़ती है cool बनने की. वो acting नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो inherently cool है. Like I was telling this to a friend of mine, the commando who trained us for this film, and he came like 20 minutes late for a meeting. And I asked him कि sir, all good? I mean, he said नहीं यार वो आ रहा था तो दो तीन लड़के थे वो परेशान कर रहे थे. पेल दिया इसलिए लेट हो गया. तो मैं और मेरा डायरेक्टर ऐसे कह रहे कि पेल दिया. फिर हाँ पेल दिया. हाँ तुम कहाँ थे? So what's up? And so it's just a matter of fact for him कि यार पेल दिया मैंने वो बदतमीजी कर रही थी. He's a retired NSG commando. Retired थे और मार के आए किसी को थप्पड़ वप्पड़ बजा दिया था रोड पे. So they're inherently cool, and not just because they're so flamboyant and all that, but they believe in the fact that they are the best. Commando training is such where you start believing mentally also. The kind of training they go through, it changes you as a person. आप बदल जाते हो. जिस तरह के किस्से मैंने सुने उनसे, मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये जिंदगी कैसे जीते होंगे और ये हर दिन जीते हैं ऐसी जिंदगी. सो वो कूलनेस, वो फ्लैम्बॉयंस, वो रुतबा, वो जो जो ब्लैक कमांडो के जो आप यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हो, उसका एक ऑनर है, उसका एक प्राइड है जो ये लोग साथ लेके चलते हैं अपने. सो वो मैं इमिटेट कर पाया. अब पता नहीं कितना हद तक मैंने उसको अकम्प्लिश किया है, बट देयर वाज दिस ब्लैक कार्ड कमांडो हु रीच्ड आउट टू मी saying that this is the most realistic portrayal of a commando I've ever seen. And I said, why do you think so? He said, because we also feel pain. But it's the willpower, it's the zid कि नहीं यार देश को बचाना है, अपने चाहने वालों को बचाना है. That's what keeps us going, and which was evident in your performance. So I think it's nice.
But you were, of course, killing for the
For the love.
loss of love,
Yeah.
not for the country.
Yeah.
But I mean, maybe there could be a part two where you
Correct.
working
Yeah, correct.
for the country. Have you loved and lost like they showed? I mean, obviously not somebody dying, but have you loved and lost in real life? And what is the kind of female adulation that you get? Who says what? What are the kind of texts you get?
I'm very afraid of love. I feel. I just feel because it's so.
Have you been in a relationship?
Oh, yes, of
and
course, yes.
and what are your learnings? Are you a red flag? Are you a green flag?
I mean, that too, you should ask my ex-girlfriend if I was a red flag or a green flag. But I think I've worked upon myself, of course. I think it's very, because I've lived alone for this long. Out of 24 hours, I would want to give myself at least 10 or 12 hours and then give the rest to somebody else. But also, it takes time to know. I think that for me, I need to really, really know the person to uh, fall in love. Because एक बार when I mean, it was so convenient for me that once I looked at somebody and I said also that I think I love you. He said, what? So I've been that kind of a moron also. So वहाँ से सीखा कि भाई ये सब नहीं करना है. पहले जान लो किसी को, सीख लो उसके बारे में, उसके बाद then decide होंगे. So I think I'm taking it slow. Right now there's attention, of course, because
Your
there's-
DMs must be flooded.
yeah,
Instagram.
that's there. All the old friends are coming back and saying, "We always knew you'll make it." So I said, "Wow." बता देते पहले अच्छा लगता मुझे. So yeah, it's there, but I don't take it too seriously, honestly. I just because I think I know कि कौन
कितने पानी
कितना
में.
पानी में है और किसकी सच्चाई क्या है. But my old friends are still there. My boys are there. They're my two best friends. I hang out with them only. So it's hard to now to meet. I don't know. I find it very difficult to meet new people and form a connection with them.
But it's easy to get swayed with so much kind of adulation. So what keeps you grounded? For example, what I'm saying is, you come from Malvika Nagar in
Malvika
Delhi,
Nagar, yeah.
in
Yeah.
Delhi, and then suddenly you're doing three Dharma films back to back. It all seems like. So what keeps you grounded? It's very easy to lose. I have seen many casualties due to success rather than failure. The 90% of people I've seen are victims of success. Like I've seen them change, I've seen them go through, become complete Frankenstein's
Right,
monsters,
right,
and they're not able to have. The point is, the trick is to handle, keep it rooted. So how does that happen? I mean, it's easy. You get great reviews. I mean, Canada at the Toronto Film Festival, A Star
Yeah.
is Born. When five people say Star is Born, like you said, when you were doing Porous, you
Yeah.
think you've arrived.
Yeah.
Everybody has that Madonna
Yeah,
moment
yeah,
where they think
correct.
they've arrived. So how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? How do you say, ki, okay, no, this is like, calm down?
Uh, See, it's very important to keep the yes man away from you. People who are always agreeing to what you're saying and what you're
But do you
doing.
find that a lot of people?
I have three of them in my life who are always there, who will call me out any moment. First, my mother, my two friends. My mother called me up day before yesterday. तूने चाचा को बर्थडे विश किया? मैंने कहा कौन से चाचा? कह रहे वो जो अजमेर में रहते थे ना बुआ के वो। मैंने कहा वहाँ का रिश्ता। मैंने कहा मैंने बात नहीं की 20 सालों से। कह रहा नहीं अब इम्पोर्टेंट है करना। Because अब so you know what? Because now you have to do all these things because now they think okay now he has gotten into a film so that's why he's not calling. So she will डांटो मी ऑन थिंग्स जिसके ऊपर कोई किसी का सर या पैर नहीं है कि गाड़ी तूने काली क्यों ले ली सफेद क्यों नहीं ली हाँ राजमा खाया है वो तो हरी सब्जियां खा रहा है नहीं खा रहा है चिकन ही खा रहा है सिर्फ
Okay.
so you know I'm like I am back to my home it seems like my friends also if I buy something expensive if I even a piece of cloth or कुछ भी घड़ी ले लूंगा ये ले लूंगा मैंने कहा कैसी है भाई घड़ी अच्छी लग रही है कितने की है मैंने कहा "हाँ, so just because I mentioned the price, they're like, no, it's not good. So they are also doing it purposely. They are also like, इसको ज़्यादा चढ़ाना नहीं है, चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ाना नहीं है इसको. I think it's very important to keep all the old bonds and old people in your life. And like, see, what is the peak of achievement one can or success one can achieve? Like Shah Rukh Khan has achieved that, right? He's the King Khan. So until I don't reach there, I think I don't have the right to show any weight or any tantrum. I think once I reach there, then I'll think of कि चलो आज थोड़ा 20 मिनट लेट जाते हैं 25 मिनट लेट जाते हैं तब तक नहीं करूँगा मैं.
What's the worst and best piece of advice that you've received till now?
See, the best advice is I've got till now, which I still abide by, is be on time. That's the best. Regardless of what I did today, I came 15 minutes late. But no, I'm 99.9% on time. Because वो तो bare minimum जो आपके हाथ में है वो आप कर सकते हो. Like coming on time, remembering your lines, being nice to people, be cordial, be nice on sets. वो सब advice ही नहीं है. वो genuinely fact है. Because वो काम करती है लंबे समय में. आपका discipline, आपका hard work, sincerity ये सब जो हमारे दादाओं ने हमारे पापाओं ने बोली ये बातें सच हैं. ये आज भी valid हैं.
Of course.
इसका कोई दो राय नहीं है कि nothing can replace hard work, nothing can replace niceness, kindness. So ये चीज़ें जिसने भी मुझे बताई हैं वो रहती हैं मेरे साथ. There was an uncle of mine, he said कि सीना चौड़ा सर नीचे. That means be proud of who you are, but keep your head down all the time. So I abide by that also. वही है and the worst advice है तो इसलिए याद भी नहीं है ना मेरे को because
What
worst-
would you think about it? What would you tell an 18-year-old Laksh today? Laksh Lalwani today?
बहुत दूर जा चुका है मेरे से.
Yeah. Do you recognize that 18-year-old?
I recognize. I also feel sympathetic for him. I just hope that somebody would have come and given him a hug and said कि चल कोई नहीं है. We still love you, regardless of what you are and who you are. So that's one thing that that's the only thing I think ठीक है.
So are you less hard on yourself now?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
yes. I genuinely have found that what do you say कि यार मैं जैसा हूँ मैं वैसा ही हूँ. Take it or leave it. It's that time I used to be like I have to be the best all the time. Perfection. Right now, nobody's perfect. I can't be perfect. I can work upon myself, I can be better than yesterday. वही मेरा फोकस है कि मुझे कल से बेहतर आज करना है. उसके ऊपर मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ, ज़्यादा अपने आप को और अपनी लाइफ को सीरियसली लेता नहीं हूँ. और बस बाकी देखते हैं. It's too soon to I'm still learning a lot.
Were you a filmy kid in the sense? What were your influences? Did you have like a favorite movie, or did you have favorite actors? Did you like at some point, like from what I'm hearing, is even this coming getting three Dharma films is like
It's a movie in itself.
it's a movie in itself. But did you have any kind of aspirations movie, like a lot of kids are playing chess since the age of 3 to get into the movies, but did you have any such thing?
I'll say a very cliche thing. I think my hero was my father, honestly, because I've seen him really, really sacrifice himself for the family. So मुझे वो था कि यार this kind of sacrifice is something a hero would do, and for me he's still my hero. Like I've said this before also, but the kind of sacrifices he has made for us, I think he hasn't lived a single day for himself. He has only lived for us, for me
Wow.
and my family. He doesn't live for himself till now, and his only happiness is seeing me and my sister happy. That's what he cares about. So for me, he's the biggest hero of my life. And उसके बाद अगर फिल्मी दौर पे बात करोगे तो मैंने the first memory I have of any film is K3G. You know how uncanny it is. But पहली फिल्म मैंने वो देखी थी थिएटर में जाके, और बॉर्डर मुझे याद है टीवी के ऊपर. इतना सा होऊंगा मैं, तभी ठान लिया था कि देश के लिए कुछ करूंगा.
Were you asked to do Border 2? That's so smart. I have to add a journalistic question in between. It's very.
No.
So you didn't have any kind of role models or any kind of I'd be like to be a part of that movie. That there was none of that, right?
सिनेमा का इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं था मेरी ज़िंदगी में.
Okay.
Because हमारी मतलब even we never used to go out very often to watch films and all, but I used to watch a lot of films at home, like Rang De Basanti I've seen a lot. चुपके चुपके my father used to watch a lot. शोले my father used to. तो उनके साथ ही देखी है मैंने सारी फिल्में. जाने भी दो यारो. प्यासा मैंने अपने आप देखी थी. I fell in love with Gurudas. We've spoken about that even.
Yeah.
So yeah, all these films. हाँ काफ़ी जोकर, मेरा नाम जोकर.
Okay.
So बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी थी. My father used to listen to a lot of Kishore Kumar songs after 2-3 pegs down. So किशोर कुमार सुनेंगे आज. That used to be the vibe of the house. तो हम सुनते थे उनको, और वहीं से आज भी मैं किशोर कुमार का फैन हूँ बहुत बड़ा. मैं गाड़ी में वही सुन के आ रहा था.
Nice.
मेरी वाइब वही है.
So what's next now after Kill? What is it that are you listening to scripts?
Yes.
Have you signed something? What is there anything?
I'm listening. I've been reading a lot scripts that are coming my way, but I'm still taking my own time.
So like what is it? See, a film like Kill comes your way once in a lifetime, okay? So and you, like you said, you couldn't ask for a better
Definitely.
launch pad. But now is there something you want to do? I'm going to choose my scripts more carefully. Is there some sort of game plan or something like that?
It is so difficult, sir, honestly, because I think what Shahrukh said once, Shahrukh sir said कि first film तुम्हें चुनती है और उसके बाद तुम फिल्मों को चुनते हो. अब वो समझ में आ रहा है कितना अहम, कितना important line है वो, because now I'm really, I find myself confused also at times कि यार ये सुनने में तो अच्छी लग रही है लेकिन ये करने में मज़ा आएगा नहीं आएगा. You know, sometimes you are in that ruckus and confusion. But I'm relying solely upon my gut, upon my instinct. If I feel it, I'll do it, regardless of कौन से डायरेक्टर हैं या कौन से प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं या क्या हैं वो हैं. But हाँ, I
Have outside
want to.
producers and directors
Yes.
also been approaching?
Quite a lot of them.
Okay.
Lucky enough that I'm getting those calls and those messages now, I feel.
Will there be an announcement anytime soon?
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Now we have an audience which probably wants to ask you questions.
Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Who are all your favorite action heroes from Bollywood and Hollywood?
Bollywood में तो बच्चन साहब, of course. Bachchan sir is there, and I think John also, to an extent, he did very good action in Vidyut is very good. और शाहरुख सर ऑफ कोर्स जिस तरह से मार खाते हैं वो आई थिंक कोई इससे बेहतर मार नहीं खा सकता, वो अपने आप में टैलेंट है। जिस तरह से वो पेन दिखाते हैं ना अपने चेहरे पे, अपने बॉडी में, उनसे इंस्पायर होकर मैंने वो जो दैट सीक्वेंस ना इन किल, जब वो तुलिका ऐसे चला रहा होता हूँ और जब मुझे पड़ रही होती है पीछे, तो मेरे दिमाग में डर चल रही थी ऐसी मार खाऊंगा ना, किसी ने खाई नहीं होगी ऐसी। एंड वेस्ट में आई थिंक Keanu Reeves, and I think he does very amazing action. I mean, I forgot his name. Yeah. Jean Van Damme?
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Jean-Claude Van Damme. Confusing now.
Jean-Claude Van Damme.
Jean-Claude Van Damme. So he's also pretty good. Of course, Bruce Lee was there. Tony Jaa.
Okay.
Very interesting.
हाय लक्ष्य, थोड़ा सा आपके फैमिली के ऊपर सवाल है. इट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग दैट यू सेड योर फादर्स लिव्ड हिज एंटायर लाइफ फॉर द फैमिली, इज नेवर हैड अ डे ऑफ. तो अगर आपको मौका मिलता to give your father a day off, what would you do? What would you make him do?
Because he loves to sleep. So I would ask him to sleep for as long as he wants. When he gets up, he will get a good fancy breakfast in front of him. Parathe. ऐसे पराठे खत्म हुए, यहाँ पे पैग. Whiskey का ready. आप दिल बना अपना. And he loves to cook also. He cooks mutton for us.
Okay.
So after
I believe after you got your roadie show audition, he cooked mutton for the family.
Yes, that night I have got home at like 9-10 p.m. at night. वो इतने खुश थे कि वो रात को 10 बजे उन्होंने मेरे लिए मटन बनाया. So he loves to cook after he's down to the beds.
So if you had to pick female co-stars for your next 3 films, who would you pick?
Watched Call Me Back yesterday and I really think Ananya did a great job in that show.
100% his next film is with Ananya. You write it down. You take it down. Change my name. उतना तो अक्कल है मुझको. Okay, next.
ये नाम दोबारा एडिट पे दूसरा डाल देना.
Next.
And second, listen, I love Alia Bhatt. I would love to work with her. Alia Bhatt second. And third, बहुत सारे नाम है ना.
Now don't give me your PR
ना,
trained answers.
PR कहाँ ट्रेन हो? PR बैठा है, उसने ट्रेनिंग नहीं किया मेरे को. एक साल से इंटरव्यूज दे रहे हैं.
उसको पड़ेगी मेरे हाथ से शिकवे.
So there's Ananya, there's Alia, and listen, I had a massive crush on Aishwarya. So if they make Aidil Hai Mushkil 2, I would love to be. Wow, you get it now. He feels it.
Feels.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so I'm supposed to also ask you a rapid round. As a newbie, do you get a lot of free advice? Is there some advice that has stuck with you?
एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे से निकालो.
There is nothing that has stuck. I mean, you mentioned earlier about
quite a lot of them.
about discipline and coming on time.
Be on time. Be nice to people.
What's your ideal date?
Have good food. Watch a good film. And that's it.
Okay. After Kill, have you been getting more female attention, and how comfortable are you with it?
Of course, I'm getting that attention, but comfortable as in, I mean, it's nice to get attention. Yeah, it's my comfort. I mean, comfort is there. Yeah, of course. Like, I'm
So are you categorically saying you're single?
Yeah, I'm single, but it's just that I'm very bad at picking up signs when somebody's trying to, flirt in or like give me some sort of hint that she's into me.
After 10 years in the business, I don't think you're bad at
because
picking.
now, see, I've never, I'm still bad at, trust me, I am. Like, you have to really specify that, and then only I get it. Like, people have become very smart, now, with their pickup lines and with their game. I think I'm lacking. I need to pull up my socks and be there.
You need to up your game.
Definitely, in terms of all this. I'm very sure, like, it takes me so much, like, बात करो, किसी को जानो, वही इतना effort लगता है मुझे. Organically, if it happens, then nothing like it. But like, to make that effort and to, it's that.
Also, there are a lot of these on-screen romances, on-location romances. Do you see that happening? Has that ever happened with you? You've done 10 years of work, so has there been an on-location romance?
Yeah, has been, yeah.
And then it didn't end too well, or did it end well? How did it end?
It ended. It died its natural death. I mean, what do I say more to that?
Okay.
Things eventually end when, I mean.
Is it wise to date a co-star?
Yeah, why not? Why not? It's always it's nice, yeah. If you understand her, she understands you. You both like each other. Then you can date anybody you want to. Who am I to say?
No, now I was specifically asking you.
No, I mean, if I connect with somebody, then why not?
So, but did you? So I am
I did.
assuming you
I
dated
have,
your
I
co-star.
have, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for being part of my conversation. It's been nice chatting with you.